BBQ Rando's here, and oh my goodness, you're not going to believe what I found today at Walmart. Mrs. BBQ Rando and I went out to pick up a couple of things, and look, the Walmart in Goodyear, Arizona put out fireworks already. That's amazing. And look at this, right off the bat, there is a brand new assortment called the Thrill, and 79 bucks. And you can see right here what it has. All right, pretty cool. I'll be hitting up a bunch of other Walmarts over the next few weeks. But again, you can see it down here. Look at that. Pretty neat stuff. All right. Then over here for $19.97, they got Backyard Show. You guys can see these here. Got a couple of new fountains in there. Probably just rewraps with different names, but that's the fun of it. You can see it here again. All right. Then over here for $29.97, we got the famous Blast Zone, and they made some changes to it this year. I might have to get one of these. Look at that. You got a scan for the products. A couple of new ones in here. Look at this. Right? Pretty good size. There's another Backyard Show. Let's see what's down here. Now, I guarantee you they're going to have more to put out towards 4th of July. But just to show you guys, this is just one store, of which there are dozens and dozens in Arizona, in the Phoenix metropolitan area. So listen, you have a good day. BBQ Rando. We're going to come up with more. Let's come back over here and look at the Thrill Countdown. This is a pretty good one. All right. We'll be back. More to come. And don't forget the barbecue.